We are seeing that storm from the weekend now move on to the east, and we're going to get a few dry breaks here in the mix. And, we've been talking about how it was going to be extremely cold this weekend, and we even saw some of that cold air sticking around from yesterday. But check out today's almanac page as we start to see those temperatures move back into the 50s. We made it all the way back up to average. 53 was the high yesterday. That is our average right on the dot for this time of year. Also, you notice the record high temperature for yesterday's date now in the 60s rather than the 70s. That means we've never made it to 70 degrees or above on yesterday's date. It's also common to drop down at least into the upper 30s here overnight. The record all the way down into the teens for the overnight low, 17 degrees. Obviously, we haven't seen anything that cold just yet. Temperatures across the rest of the state also warming up a little bit from where they were over the weekend. 52 in Corvallis, mid-50s there along the coast. Even in Central Oregon, well above freezing, 47 for your high yesterday. And then you see that cold air still hanging on in Eastern Oregon with highs there staying in the mid-30s. Now, in addition to the mild temperatures, we of course saw that rain off and on throughout the day yesterday. And it did amount to over 1/10 of an inch here in the southern Willamette Valley, almost 1/4 of an inch for those of you in Corvallis. Similar conditions in Newport. Less as you head down the southern Oregon coast, and just about 2/100 of an inch of rain for those of you near Roseburg. Now this morning we are seeing just a little bit of light rain. It's just basically lingering showers after yesterday's storm. Temperatures at 48, so rather warm out there. Dew point not far behind. So we are seeing a little bit of fog forming that's affecting our visibility, especially with those calm winds out there this morning. Pretty moist surface, and so that also helps that fog formation. Now we are seeing that jet stream start to move to the north of us, and that means warmer conditions here for the next couple of days. Also, we're going to see a slight little ridge of high pressure help to block any other storms from moving through. So dry conditions tomorrow, and as we head into Wednesday, we do have a larger storm developing way out in the Pacific. We are going to actually see 2 storms move in Friday into Saturday, so soggy conditions will return, but again, not until the very end of the week. For now, just a few lingering, very light showers today. A few sun breaks in the mix this afternoon as well. As we head into Wednesday, those clouds break up even further, which means we'll likely have to battle that fog in the morning, but sunny and dry for the afternoon. Same story Thursday before those showers move back in here Friday night. So for the coast, your highs will stay in the mid-50s today. Isolated shower this morning. Winds will stay light. We'll see dry conditions for both Wednesday and Thursday before that rain does return here Friday afternoon. Looking at pretty good chances there for rain on Saturday. The Umpqua Basin, you'll be back in the mid-50s today. Also can't rule out a shower or two, but again, not as much as what we saw yesterday by any means. We'll see dry conditions Wednesday, Thursday, most of Friday, and then again, pretty soggy as we head into the weekend. Cascades are warming up. That snow level up above the passes, so the isolated showers that we see move through will mostly be rain. You can see highs all the way back up into the low 40s there. Central Oregon, mostly cloudy, low 50s for you, staying dry the next couple of days, but also looking at those soggy conditions for the weekend. Mid-50s for the valley, isolated passing shower today. Otherwise dry Wednesday, Thursday, even most of Friday. And then we too will see that rain return just in time for the weekend.